COVID-19. Imo Speaker orders Lawmaker out of plenary for sneezing. Breaking: Imo Deputy Speaker resigns. The Speaker of the Imo State House of Assembly, Collins Chiji, has ordered the member representing Kwara State constituency, Mr. Obinna Okwara, to leave the hallowed chambers when he suddenly started coughing and sneezing during the plenary. This came as the Speaker also has advised the member representing Owerri North State constituency, Mr. Philip Ejiogu, to observe strict self-isolation following his recent return from the United Kingdom. At the House's last plenary for the week, Mr. Okwara's sudden sneezing caused pandemonium as his colleague who sat close to him started shifting away from him. Other lawmakers in the chambers quickly reached out for their nose masks and handkerchiefs and wore them. When the sneezing became very constant and started distracting the proceedings at the plenary, the Speaker ordered Okwara out of plenary, advising him to check himself properly. The lawmaker was seen walking into his office and never came back to the plenary afterwards. Earlier on Tuesday, the Speaker also ordered the member representing Owerri North State constituency, Mr. Philip Ejiogu, to observe strict self-isolation from his return from the United Kingdom recently. Ejiogu had returned to the country last week after he had visited the United Kingdom. He joined his colleagues during the plenary and was seen hugging his colleagues, especially Amara Iwonyanwu and Uche Ogbuagu, who were elected the Deputy Speaker and Majority Leader of the House respectively. According to the Speaker, the lawmaker may have been exposed to COVID-19 coronavirus during his visit to London. Chiji explained during the plenary that the lawmaker may have come in contact with one of the confirmed cases in the United Kingdom where the virus is spreading faster. Wow. Nobody wants to die, everybody wants to go to heaven. Well, I think this is another lesson. They have said social gathering should stop. Hence, people are still gathering. You can imagine what is happening in Imo State. Wow, this is very serious. You can imagine they asked him to go out because it will affect a lot of people. This is so serious. I have a lot of comments here. Someone said he has already spread it to them. Now so God go dey punish all these bad politicians. Yeah people, any small thing them go run go abroad. See now, he knows say pandemic don't cast for there. He still shock. He big head enter Nigeria, make Konori British for there. All these politicians are responsible for this outbreak in Nigeria. We Nigerians should hold them responsible for it. Well, the thing is, everybody just need to isolate themselves, take good care of yourself, use your nose mask. Why? If you want to sneeze, I don't know, these people are learning. If you want to sneeze, why can't you sneeze inside your nose mask? And in the first place, why were they not using nose masks? This is very important. We don't want this thing to spread more than the way it has spread. What is all this? All these our politicians, they are just being careless. It's only God that will help us. Why? What is all this now? Why are they just trying to make this country unbearable? It's unfair. You know you are going for this meeting. You should use your nose cover, of which you have been told not to even gather in the first place. I don't know. Well, it's only God that will help us. Let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe, like, share for more updates. Thanks and God bless.